Alright, hey guys, so here we have cast Dayton number 1 yet again. This is post restoration. I've gone ahead and cleaned up all the blades and canopies. Got new downrods and spray painted those. Blades I actually soaked in a bathtub of hot water and the what I believe to be latex paint or something similar just peeled right off. Actually, the thicker it was, the easier it was to peel off because it kind of came off in like a big wet sheet rather than, speckled paint or whatever. But anyways, so I took the motors apart and replaced the bearings as well as varnished them and painted them. Unfortunately, one of the, I should say two of the rings did not survive. For whatever reason, this one held up just fine, but the other ones, they fell apart due to high heat that these motors produce. So between the two broken rings, I was able to make one complete one. So I have one other fan that has kind of bits and pieces of two separate fan plastic rings. But this one, like I said, held up fine, so I was able to throw this one back on and tighten the motor back up, yada, yada, yada. But yeah, so it basically looks like a new fan. Obviously, there are some, little minor imperfections here and there, but I would say, from being coated in latex paint to, where the blades are now, it looks pretty good. Motor's also got a thin coat of paint. Canopy got cleaned up. These are the nicest canopies of the 3 sets. In the future, I might paint them. I don't really know yet. I haven't decided. So, I guess let's just do 0 to high. Sounds like a fun thing to do. Or actually, we already know it doesn't spike up. So I guess let's just go to capacitor. See where it starts. I mean, these are new bearings, keep that in mind, so it's probably not going to start too easily. And, it's already starting. Starting on 4 at 0.19, and it's barely inching along. There's a very slight difference in the paint color between what I did and what's actually on the blades. The motor is kind of just a white, and the blades have a little slight blue tint from the primer that these came with from the factory. So I think it's gonna probably stall there eventually, but let's go to 5. 0.24. You can kind of see a little split in the ring. I probably could have put it back together a little better, but oh well. I used a razor blade, kind of cut into it. Go to 6. So yeah, that's something I didn't realize when I originally got these. I thought the ring had a little cut in it originally, but it does not. So it looks like my stamped leading edge had been messed with at one point or time in time. So 7. Be nice if we go high. It's kind of hot in here. I think it's 90 right now. Yeah, it's 90. 8 is 0.38. So that wouldn't be a bad low speed with an E1220. 9. 0.42. 10. 0.46. 12. What the heck? Why is that not doing anything? I'm a little confused. That's not doing anything. What What the heck? Dang it, I think my 10 came apart. Are you serious? That kind of blows. Either my capacitor completely failed or it's disconnected, one of the two. So we don't have a 10 right now, so I guess we're gonna have to skip to 20. I don't know what else to do. That kind of sucks. I don't know when that happened. I don't think I dropped or anything. So I'm guessing the cap just failed. Or caps, I should say. There's a couple in there. Yeah, 10 does nothing. 1. Yeah, that wouldn't be a bad medium high, I don't think. Let's just skip over to 25. 0.84, 30, 0.92. I mean, we already kind of have a test of it from before, but that kind of sucks. It's working again. Yeah, that cap failed. It's making all sorts of weird, wacky noises right now. Okay, so I guess I have to replace the capacitor. I don't have a 10 on me. So I'm going to have to order one. We'll try solid state, which is kind of what I'm curious. I want to see how quiet it is now. It was already pretty quiet from the get-go, so. Yeah, a little buzzed. We're at 12 o'clock now, drawing 0.78. 10:30. 0.99. Let's go full blast. 1.11. And I guess let's just go to 0 to high. I actually do kind of want to, because we haven't tested spin down yet. Alright, so 0 to high. Yeah, go. 1.09. Yeah, so it actually climbs rather than drops as it gets up to speed like most fans. This seems really not all that efficient. I feel like it could have been a lot more efficient, but whatever. 1.14. Kind of down airflow is going to be different because this one wasn't really all that stiff to begin with. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of just like a solid gust. Well, not a solid gust, but it's definitely tolerable. So let's do spin down. Topped off at 1.18. Spin down is definitely going to be longer, you know, because it has new bearings. Dang, well, I'm kind of bummed out about that. I don't know when my 10 went out. what do IntelliTouch boards use? I think those use a 10. I'm sure I've got plenty of bad boards around here I could just snag a capacitor off of. I didn't get a close-up though. Oh well. You kind of already know what that does. Yeah, spin down definitely seems longer. I can't remember what it was before, but seems like it's taking a little longer than before. These do have, like a cast aluminum motor, which you wouldn't think is all that heavy. And actually, it's not that heavy. It's the rotor that's actually kind of heavy. Okay, well there is cast date number 1. We'll get on with the rest. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.